The PulpMx Give Back, a 501c nonprofit started to help pay for injured riders, has given their first amount of money, and that is to Jerry Robin. If you missed this back in the Supercross season, Jerry Robin has been injured since, losing feeling in his legs, and I think at the moment still is in a rehabilitation center. So this is much needed. Let's just go from there. And the good thing is, it's more than they thought. Now, obviously, back in the privateer race, or the PulpMx privateer race, whatever you want to call it, Kyle Chisholm was supposed to run the 77 for Jerry Robin, which that is his number, and that was the amount of money that they were hoping to raise, $7,700. And while they've well surpassed that, with the total reaching $13,000. All of this going to Jerry Robin, and the nonprofit going all the money, or all the profit, whatever you want to call it, going towards injured riders, which, a lot of these privateer guys, this is on a night to night, week to week basis on if they're making the races, if they're making money, or so for the injuries that these guys are getting, paralyzed. You look at Trevor Culp right now; those are going to be gigantic bills. So something like this going on, a big name in this sport giving back is super incredible. I mean, the good thing is too, if you give money to this, you have the chance to win a 2025 Yamaha 450F. YZ450F. So go to the website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Give your money, help somebody out, get a chance to win a bike for yourself, and just help these guys that we all watch and they entertain us. And when they get major injuries like this, it's absolutely life changing. So go down description below. Like I said, look for the link. Give what you can, help however you can, and awesome job for PulpMx Give Backs for something like this being available or helpful. I don't know what you want to say.